Hi guys, in today's really short episode I'm going to tell you about the SC7 cable from RODE and why do you need one. So let's dive in. So what's the deal and what's the fuss about? Well, on my iPhone I'm using Filmic Pro. That's an application for filmmaking. So basically it is similar to what you have as a native video recording app on your iPhone, but it's well more sophisticated. You can set up everything from white balance, shutter speed, ISO to manual focus, everything. You can set up everything. And I've tried to use my RODE wireless go-to microphones with my iPhone, obviously using this small adapter. However, this cable only works with cameras. It works perfectly with my Sony A7C camera. Sadly, it doesn't work with my iPhone. And that's where this RODE SC7 cable, TRS to TRRS patch cable, comes into play. And I will do a short unboxing now, because I haven't actually opened it yet. And what's the deal? Well, the deal is it's not always convenient for me when traveling from work to take all the equipment, all the gear and stuff. It is quite handy to take just these two things: the receiver, the microphone and an iPhone. And there's not a lot inside, just a cable. And the SC7 TRS to TRRS patch cable looks exactly this, like this. The black bit, the black mini jack, you plug into the RODE wireless receiver, and the gray bit you connect to micro jack adapter and then plug it to your iPhone. And I will test it just now. As you can see now, the microphone is on, it's set to minus 15 decibels. I'm just gonna plug it here for test purposes. That's how you can see the volume up and down from just iPhone microphones. And now I'll plug the RODE wireless go-to. So as you can see now, and I'm recording. So yes, now I'm talking to RODE wireless go-to microphone, because on the Sony A7C camera I've mounted my Sony ECM B1M microphone. So how do you hear me and how do you see me on the iPhone? I hope that the test is sufficient. Camera microphone test 1 2 3, camera microphone test 1 2 3. And yes, that's the setup I would like to take with me when I travel from work or when I go to the city center. I don't always need my camera with me, and the phone is very convenient. I haven't been vlogging on my phone for about a year now, more than a year now. And this cable, which cost me about what, £9 or £13, can't remember just now. I think £9 on Amazon. The link is underneath the video. It's an affiliate link just in case. So if you buy one, you will support my channel without paying anything additionally to the price of the cable. And I believe that you can hear me quite well and it will record me quite well. On the other hand, I will give you an example without this microphone plugged to the iPhone, how it sounds. So give me 2 seconds. So now the microphone and the receiver from RODE is here, is on the table. The sound recording on iPhone is directly from the microphone in iPhones, actually one of the 3 microphones on iPhones. So let me know if you can hear the difference. But on a really windy day, when, for example, I'm in London, Bristol or whatever, and often I wanted to record something and on an iPhone it didn't sound quite good because of the wind noise. You have that terrible sound when the wind is blowing directly into the microphone, because there's no wind muffs on an iPhone. And with these microphones, the RODE wireless go-to, which are absolutely superb microphones, and I strongly recommend buying these, they're really great, then I'll be able to actually record videos using my iPhone without taking my camera in windy conditions with superb quality of sound, which obviously, as we all know, you can record a video which isn't the best of the video quality, but if there's a sound issue, people will turn that off. So that's why I've invested £7 or £9 in this RODE SC7 cable. And yes, well, remember this one, the original one from RODE, only worked with cameras. It didn't work with my phone. So let me know, how do you hear me? Test of the microphone, iPhone 11 Pro. Test of the microphone 1, 2, 3. Test of the microphone 1, 2, 3. So guys, let me know, do you actually use one of them, RODE Wireless Go 2 or RODE Wireless Go? And if you use it with your phone or if you use it only with your camera. I can definitely tell you that when you use it with your phone, you need this cable because it won't work with the standard cable. Nonetheless, let me know if you thinking about buying one. Let me know also in the comment section if you're thinking about buying RODE Wireless Go 2 microphone now, once you've seen the test and now when you know what's actually missing in the package. Yeah, I think that RODE could actually add this to overall package for the RODE Wireless Go 2. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Do you think this should be included or they should make some more money off us by selling this separately? Also, let me know what microphone do you use normally when you record with your phone, because obviously with the camera, I'm pretty sure that if you're using Nikon, the Canon, you will be using RODE. That's 90%, I think. People who use those cameras use RODE. I'm using Sony because I'm shooting on Sony. I used RODE Wireless Go 2 for over a year now, and I'm really happy with it. Now I'll be able to vlog with my phone and take it on many journeys I do from work. Just let me know if you can hear the difference between the Sony microphone, the RODE Wireless Go 2 microphone, and an iPhone built-in microphone. And remember, I'm using iPhone 11 Pro, and why in 2022, actually end of 2022, I'm using still iPhone 11 Pro. If you haven't seen my video about the battery, just click it here and watch it. Today's sponsor of the video is 365vibesstore.com. You can buy hoodies, t-shirts, t-shirted dresses, tank tops, crop tops, mugs, travel mugs. So definitely visit channel sponsor 365vibesstore.com for more details. And if you use the code BigPhilOnline2022, you will get 15% off of your next purchase. Well, if you like this video and found it very informative, please give it a thumbs up. Please drop the comment down below also if you're using one of those microphones in connection with your phone or any other setup, and let me know if you're using this cable and if you actually didn't know that you need this cable to connect it between the RODE Wireless Go 2 and your phone. So definitely drop the comment down below. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell notification icon next to it so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And in today's episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!